people watching this video, welcome to my channel. I'm Shikopol, a Kenyan content creator, and feel welcomed. All subscribees, love you. All returning subscribers, still I love you so much. And if it's your first time in this channel, karibu sana. Kindly do like this video as you watch, leave a sweet comment for me, and also don't forget to share the video. If it makes you kind of feel happy, don't skip the ads. At least watch 2 or 3 ads for me, and then the rest you can skip. So on today's video, it's on my dad's birthday, but by the time you'll be watching it, itakuwa ishapita. And 14th December, that's when my dad was born. He would be turning 66 years. Oh my god. At the same time, I feel so bad since it's my first birthday where I wouldn't sing for my dad, like literally physically one-on-one or even through a phone call. And I never imagined of a day that ingefika so soon that I wouldn't sing for him a birthday song, since inakonga ever like we would sing for each other's birthday songs. So my mom would sing for us, my sister would sing for us, everyone angeimbiwa birthday song yake, and then the 3 of us mwenye akona birthday angeletewa some gifts, kila kitu yenye mtu angekuwa nayo. Maybe if dad for me, I knew dad loved chicken, he loved milk, and he loved maybe a t-shirt or inner socks. I would take it to him. Same case to my sister, would do the same. Kila kitu yenye mtu anapenda. I decided to do this video when my mother and sister are not in, because I don't want them to get emotional about it. My dad used to call me. I used to like voice call record, because anytime I would feel down, I would listen to his voice. And also anytime I would miss him, because I would stay a bit far from him, ninge play back. I didn't know that this would be my memories with him when he's not around. Yeah, this is him and this is me. So let's hear how I sang for him his last birthday. That was last year.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Awa. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now?
64.
How old are you now?
64.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Kay mawai. Dapat ako hindi happy birthday. Happy birthday mo. Good health. Very good,
Thank you.
Mama tunaangalia wewe haha itakuwa imenyagana watu wakiwa against me no holere mundu ananagikomia kudakarirai hawezi kuwa against me, atanichukulia tu simu. Ni babaga untage otari blessing kaura uga iwa ni ajitekai keria yudu muhutu na kana ugiuga atia ni awa guy baba guy all the best na kirero.
Thank you.
Ni uleka atia
Dia farai.
Noka
liwadiro takidogo.
Tunyo kulia koko onoreda ke
tukaselebrate na mgoka.
And one thing about him, he did love his family so much. Like namuuliza utakula kuku now ndo so that he celebrates his birthday. And the reason why he said 64, kwa ID ilikuwa aliwekwa mwaka moja nyuma, but in real sense alikuwa 65 years. You knew and you also knew. And I'm asking him like, do you want me like utakula kuku, because I wanted to send him something, of which I did send him, and anasema no, nataka tukuje tukule pamoja. Yani his love is just immense. Wow. Yeah, like, oh my god, I don't want to get emotional, you know. Each and every time I talk about him, I usually, yani, tears of love inafanyanga tu na don't want to shed tears. I want to be strong. Yani anasema ati tachinja kuku na mbuzi when tukienda home. And what pains me sometimes is that I will never like call him, or he'll never call me and tell me, maybe utakuja, calling my daughter, utakuja tukule pamoja. Or I will never get stressed up kujua like, what am I going to take for my dad, nitampelekea nini, as in that kind of a stress, you know. It pains me a lot, but anyway, it's okay. Like, let's even listen to her. He was singing me a birthday. It was on, let me just put it here. Daddy, my hour, you know how much I love you so much. We used to love you as a family. This one, I remember this time, my last year birthday, I called him and I was like, Awa, hujani wish happy birthday. But I knew, even if atakuwa hajanipigia in the morning, lazima that day angenipigia and he would sing me a song. So this was it. Kind of, my daddy was my emotion mate in a way. Let's listen.
Guy, kwanza baba na do ora ni unit.
Atereri.
Guy, hawa wemo.
Kwa abe kuje ka atereri. Una nyuma kitorano mutitu. Otherwise, happy birthday, my daughter. Give 2,001 candles. Yes. And have a very great future.
Oh, thank you, Daddy.
Hey.
Can you never do?
Happy birthday, Ima. Happy birthday, Ima. Happy birthday, dear Ima. How old are you now?
22.
Thank you very much.
Awa.
Hey?
Like, no, that time I was telling him like, nishafika kama kawaida. My sister and I, or even my mom, most of my birthdays I usually celebrate with them. Nah, I usually prefer going to a place that I've never been into. So here time, I remember tulikuwa tunaenda Camp Dunda with my sister, my mom, and I had one friend, sasa saizi ni Maka Junior, and I remember calling him, namwambia nimefika. So we had to meet up with my mom at a certain meeting point with my sister juu alikuwa home. I was calling kumwambia nishafika nini, ndo aniambie kawa washatoka. Anyway, and one thing I usually ask myself is that, Daddy ananionanga, like, does he feel my pain sometimes when I feel so down about him? Ananionanga everything that's happening around. Unaona, is he at peace where he is? You know, those are some of the questions najiulizanga. At the same point, I feel like I don't want to like disappoint him, because he wanted us when we prosper. Do I remember my dad akiniambia, unajua nini, wewe utaendelea na hinya, like my vernacular language, my father language, utaendelea na hinya nigetha ugatigia ciana ciaku. As in, alikuwa ananiambia yeye actually hanisomeshangi ndo niwaiweza kumsaidia, you know, like hanisomeshanga ndo niweze kusaidia my generation, ati pesa zenye ako nazo it's enough to take care of his wife, her wife now. And that really touched me. You know, most of the parents wanajuanga when you help your kid atakuja kusaidia back, but my dad hakuanga na hiyo mentality. He knew like, I just want the best for you. And that's why sometimes I wouldn't ask him, Daddy, should I send you something? Like on my nimtumia tu kitu, if maybe I get a certain good deal na nipate pesa poa. And I always remembered him because most of the time I don't go to church. So what I did, nilikuwa natoa my 10% now sending to my dad now. Singewahi muuliza ama nimtumie because angeniambia no save up. So what I would do, I would just send it, and he would just be happy. At kind of 500, he would be happy, and he would bless me a lot. I have those calls. I'm going to make another video with him, remembering of his memories. And wow, I just feel honored having to have experienced like a true love, how it feels, true love without boundaries, true love without some conditions that if I love you have to do this. And I know it's hard to ever find that kind of specific love, but it's always deep down in my heart. And that's why anytime I always make a video, I always feel emotional about him. And hey, and that is so painful, so painful, so painful. But all in all, we have to keep on pushing and moving on. And this is one thing that I would ever tell someone: if ukishaipata a friend lose a mother, a father, or a close person to him in heart, to her heart, always check up on them, because I never get tired. You know kitu moja, you know some friends that I feel like huyu atakwanga kila time anako hivi down nini, so they will end up like diverting. But mimi, it's always a wish, because nimepitia hapo and I know how it feels. For me, if my friend ever lost someone close to him or her, I will try all my best. I will do all my best. I would rather give him or her my time, and Mungu aniwezeshange nisiwahi feel to give up na yeye, nione as if he or she is a burden, because inakuanga painful na it takes time to heal depending on the love you had with that person. Hata mimi naona it will take a lifetime to heal. Like life will never kind of be the same, because there is this half part of me na feeling it's dead. Like sometimes you lack meaning in your life. Unaona, what is it worth for after all? The most person that I loved hako, but then I don't want to disappoint them, because he's in the rain maybe anaona, and he would feel bad nikiwa like I'm not prospering, you know. Yeah, anyway, Daddy, wherever you are, Awa, as I used to call you, always know that I'm ever loving you, and no one can ever replace where you left a mark. Thank you for loving me and filling me with all the love. I will also try and teach and also be good to my generations, and always keep on checking up on me wherever you are. I just pray God akufanyie wepesi kwa kaburini. Be happy, be my guardian angel. No, I love you so much, and you're ever in my heart. Yeah, that's the end of the video. Keep on subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. Bye, till we meet again. Keep on praying for my dad, and also praying for me. Nisiwahi fika nakuwa depressed, although na feeling sometimes. Unajua kuna time naulizanga mom kana negoro kile you know, like unapata you sleep a lot, ama unapata uko na hasira ingine sana. Naulizanga mom kana dire normal, you know, like mpaka sometimes huwa najishuku. But anyway, that's it. I love you so much, and your family love you so much. Keep on checking on us. That's it. Bye.